These aren't toys. These aren't commuter devices. These are high-performance machines that rival motorcycles in raw speed and power. Most are completely illegal on public streets, but riders are buying them anyway, pushing boundaries and asking critical questions about what the rules should actually be. We're talking about electric scooters that accelerate faster than sports cars, that can reach speeds most states have banned, and that cost more than used cars. Today, we're counting down the 10 fastest scooters ever built. From track monsters to urban legends. From practical impossibilities to engineering nightmares. These are the machines that changed everything. Let's go. Number 10. Teverun Fighter 11 Plus 52 to 53 miles per hour. The Teverun Fighter 11 Plus represents where serious performance becomes accessible. Starting at a reasonable price for its category, this dual-motor scooter delivers a peak power output of 5,000 watts. That's enough to challenge any commuting expectation you might have. GPS verified testing places the top speed between 52 and 53 miles per hour, making it fast enough to keep up with highway traffic. The more powerful Supreme version of this scooter reaches 62 miles per hour for riders seeking extreme performance. More importantly, the Fighter 11 Plus does something unusual. It balances raw speed with actual rider comfort. The suspension system features hydraulic damping that absorbs bumps instead of transferring them directly into your spine. The dual-motor setup generates smooth, linear acceleration that doesn't feel twitchy or unstable. Riders describe it like piloting something refined, not just raw power welded to a platform. The battery holds 72 volts and 60 amp hours. That's significant capacity for distance and sustained performance. Real-world riders consistently report ranges between 50 and 70 kilometers on a single charge. For an extreme scooter, that's practical distance. The braking system uses hydraulic discs on both wheels, giving you stopping power that actually matches the acceleration. This matters at 50 miles per hour. You need to be able to come to a complete stop without locking up or losing control. The Teverun Fighter 11 Plus accomplishes this without drama. The price sits around $2,500, making it accessible to enthusiasts who want serious performance without selling a kidney. In most U.S. states, operating this scooter on public streets is technically illegal. Speed limits for powered micromobility typically cap at 15 to 20 miles per hour. Anything over that lands you in gray area territory, which means potential fines or confiscation. Number 9. Hiley Tiger King, 52 miles per hour. Hiley makes scooters primarily for Asian markets, but their reputation for raw performance is spreading globally. The Tiger King is their flagship model, and it shows why. This is not a scooter for casual riders. This is for people who understand the machine and respect what it can do. The top speed sits at 52 miles per hour, reached through dual motors delivering combined power that makes highway merging genuinely possible. The Tiger King uses a large lithium battery pack with dual charging capability. That means you can charge it faster than competitors. More importantly, it means you get real distance. Riders report ranges exceeding 50 kilometers without cutting power or being gentle with acceleration. The frame is built from aluminum alloy specifically chosen for strength without excessive weight. The design philosophy emphasizes off-road capability, but the scooter works just fine on pavement. The suspension setup uses dual shocks that are fully adjustable, meaning you can tune it to your weight, riding style, and terrain preference. What makes the Tiger King different is the steering feel. Many high-speed scooters become twitchy above 40 miles per hour. The Hiley incorporates geometry and a steering damper specifically designed to reduce wobble at speed. This engineering detail separates machines you can actually control from machines that control you. The hydraulic braking system combines regenerative braking that recovers energy with sufficient mechanical stopping power. Price-wise, expect to invest around $2,000 for this level of performance. Legality remains the same story. Almost everywhere outside specific racing venues, Riding this at full speed is prohibited. Many cities have begun cracking down on high-speed scooters, implementing registration systems and enforcement operations specifically targeting riders pushing speed limits. Number 8. TopRiding FOHOLO F19, 55 miles per hour. TopRiding is a North American company building scooters for serious riders. The FOHOLO F19 represents their top-tier offering, and it shows genuine engineering discipline. The top speed verification sits at 55 miles per hour through independent real-world testing, not manufacturer claims. That distinction matters because marketing specs and actual performance often diverge dramatically. The F19 achieves this speed with dual motors and a sophisticated power delivery system. The battery capacity is genuinely impressive. The F19 comes with a 72-volt system carrying substantial amp hours, translating into ranges of 80 to 100 kilometers depending on riding style and terrain. Urban riders who vary speeds see better range than those hammering the throttle at top speed. The scooter uses pneumatic all-terrain tires measuring 13 inches, giving you flexibility to ride on various surfaces without sacrificing urban functionality. The suspension is hydraulic, fully adjustable, and tuned for comfort at speed, rather than just impact absorption. What separates the F19 is its design focus on practicality. Many extreme scooters are pure speed machines with no consideration for daily usability. The FOHOLO adds practical features. The deck space is generous, giving you actual room to move your feet and adjust position during rides. The handlebar design includes ergonomic considerations. Storage capacity exists. You could theoretically use this scooter for purposes beyond pure speed demonstrations. The hydraulic braking system features large rotors and multiple calipers, necessary for stopping from 55 miles per hour reliably and consistently. TopRiding prices this at around $3,000, positioning it as a premium but not exotic option. Legality-wise, riding this at full speed anywhere in the United States violates state and local regulations regarding scooter operation. Number 7. King GTR, 66 miles per hour. The King GTR from Kaabo marked a turning point in performance scooter development. When it launched, it was the fastest production scooter available. Other machines have since surpassed it, but the King GTR remains extraordinarily capable. The top speed of 66 miles per hour was verified through independent testing and multiple independent riders achieving the same numbers. This consistency matters because many manufacturers inflate claims. The King GTR uses a 13,440 watt peak power output through dual motors. That's tremendous power delivery squeezed through a single controller, requiring sophisticated electronics to manage without instability or control loss. The engineers chose a sine wave controller rated for 160 amps of peak current, giving you genuinely responsive throttle control even at extreme speeds. The battery system carries substantial capacity. Real-world range on this machine hits 60 miles consistently, even when pushing performance. That's remarkable for a scooter pushing 66 miles per hour. The acceleration is genuinely outstanding. Riders report reaching 50 miles per hour in just 8.5 seconds from a standing start. That puts it in sports car territory for acceleration performance. The suspension features adjustable hydraulic damping and incorporates technology borrowed from downhill mountain bikes. The design priority emphasizes performance and speed over comfort, but the engineering is refined enough that sustained riding doesn't destroy your body. The frame weighs 137 pounds, putting it in the heavy category, but most of that weight goes to structural components and battery infrastructure. The braking system uses mechanical and hydraulic components working together. This combination gives you progressive braking control and sufficient stopping power. Price sits around $4,000, positioning the GTR as an investment for serious enthusiasts. Number 6. Dualtron Storm Limited, 64.5 miles per hour. Mini Motors, the company behind the Dualtron brand, has been building performance scooters longer than most manufacturers have existed. The Storm Limited represents their refined approach to extreme speed. The verified top speed reaches 64.5 miles per hour, achieved through dual motors delivering 11,500 watts of peak power. This is controlled power, not wild acceleration. The battery capacity is massive. The 84-volt system carries 3,780 watt-hours. Real-world range on this scooter approaches 100 kilometers even when pushing speeds. This combination of speed and range makes the Storm Limited unique. Most scooters that reach 60 miles per hour do so with limited battery capacity and range anxiety. The Storm lets you go fast and go far. The suspension uses a new design featuring torsion springs replacing traditional rubber cartridges. This engineering change improves adjustability and ride quality across varying conditions. The frame construction uses premium aluminum alloy, specifically aviation-grade material. The design incorporates adjustable suspension at 45 different settings. You can fine-tune this scooter to your exact weight, riding style, and terrain preference. The hydraulic brake system uses NUTT 4-piston calipers, considered the gold standard in micromobility stopping systems. These brakes offer superior heat dissipation, critical when repeatedly decelerating from 60 miles per hour. The total weight reaches 182 pounds when fully assembled with the battery installed. However, the removable battery weighs approximately 82 pounds, meaning the scooter itself weighs around 100 pounds, making it more manageable for transport once the battery is disconnected. What makes the Storm Limited impressive is its balance. This isn't a pure speed monster. It's an engineered machine where speed is one component of a larger whole. The ride quality at sustained speeds remains smooth. The battery provides genuine practical range. The braking inspires confidence. Number 5. Nami Burn E2, max 59 miles per hour. Nami is a company born from the high-speed scooter movement. They don't compromise. The Burn E2 Max was their answer to scooters claiming extreme speed, but delivering mediocre execution. This machine hits 59 miles per hour consistently, with some riders reporting 60 miles per hour in optimal conditions. The dual motors deliver power through a sophisticated controller managing dual motor operation seamlessly. The battery is a 72-volt system using 2,520 watt-hours from Panasonic cells. Real-world range from this battery reaches 53 kilometers reliably. Acceleration from the Burn I deserves specific mention. 0 to 15 miles per hour in 1.6 seconds. That's faster than many sports cars achieve. 0 to 30 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds. These aren't theoretical numbers. Independent testers have verified these accelerations repeatedly. The frame design emphasizes lightweight construction. Total weight sits around 60 pounds, making the Burn E one of the lightest machines reaching 50+ miles per hour. The suspension features independent tuning capability on the front and rear. The hydraulic system responds to impacts smoothly without harsh feedback. The tires are purpose-built for speed rather than general use. They provide grip through centripetal forces while maintaining low rolling resistance. The steering system incorporates a damper specifically designed to eliminate speed wobble above 40 miles per hour. At 59 miles per hour, stability is critical. Without this engineering, the machine would shake and jitter, making control unreliable. The hydraulic braking system uses rotors and calipers designed for consistent performance across repeated high-speed stops. Real-world testing shows stopping distances under 11 feet from 15 miles per hour, which exceeds industry standards. Price approaches $3,500, making it one of the more expensive options. The Burn E2 Max is designed exclusively for closed circuits and private property. Public street operation is universally illegal. Number 4. Emove Roadster, 80 miles per hour. The Emove Roadster came from engineers asking a critical question. What if we built a scooter with no compromises? The answer is 80 miles per hour sustained, verified through independent testing and multiple riders. The Roadster uses dual 2,000-watt motors, but the critical difference is the controller. The sophisticated power management system distributes power flawlessly between motors, enabling smooth acceleration and remarkable stability even at extreme speeds. The battery is 3,360 watt-hours from quality cells. Real-world range sits around 85 kilometers, reasonable for a scooter pushing 80 miles per hour. The frame design prioritizes stability over lightness. Weight sits at around 100 pounds, heavier than some competitors but distributed optimally for high-speed balance. The suspension features dual hydraulic shocks, fully adjustable across multiple parameters. The steering incorporates geometry specifically tuned to minimize wobble at extreme speeds. What makes the Roadster different from pure speed monsters is versatility. This scooter can operate at low speeds smoothly. The throttle response scales linearly across the entire speed range. You're not wrestling a wild machine suddenly at high speeds. The hydraulic braking system is premium engineering from Magura, a company specializing in high-performance stopping systems. The rotors are oversized and the calipers offer multiple pistons on each wheel. Regenerative braking works in concert with mechanical braking, extending range while providing controlled deceleration. The weight capacity reaches 550 pounds. Remarkable for a machine this fast. The tires are specifically designed for speed with minimal tread but tremendous grip. The Emove Roadster is designed for private property and closed circuits, not public streets. Number 3. Rion 2 RE70 Thrust, 75 miles per hour. Rion manufactures scooters for riders who accept nothing less than engineering excellence. The 2 RE70 Thrust represents the culmination of years of performance scooter development. The verified top speed reaches 75 miles per hour, achieved through dual motors and sophisticated control systems. This isn't a scooter you can rent at your local scooter sharing station. This is a machine engineered from the foundation up for extreme performance. The frame uses titanium where stress concentration requires it, and aluminum where strength suffices. Total weight is managed to remain under 100 pounds despite the robust engineering. The suspension uses air suspension on both wheels, infinitely adjustable and tuned through a digital control system. You dial in your weight, riding style, and terrain preference, the scooter adapts. The battery capacity is substantial. Real-world range approaches 100 kilometers at moderate speeds, decreasing with aggressive acceleration but remaining useful. The acceleration is genuinely frightening for unprepared riders. Reaching 60 miles per hour from a standing start requires approximately 4.5 seconds. The motor torque is enough to overcome traction limits on certain surfaces. The braking system uses high-end hydraulic components with oversized rotors and multiple calipers. Stopping from 75 miles per hour happens within a reasonable distance with good modulation. The steering system incorporates a sophisticated damper and geometry specifically tuned for stability at extreme speeds. Real riders consistently report that the thrust feels controlled and manageable even at maximum speed. Price approaches $8,000, positioning the Rion as an investment for serious enthusiasts. The Rion 2 RE70 Thrust is designed exclusively for private property, closed circuits, and places where speed is sanctioned. Public street operation is universally illegal. Number 2. Weped SST Pro, 82 miles per hour. Weped is a South Korean manufacturer based in Seoul, building scooters renowned for their distinctive hand-welded curved S frames. Their reputation for performance is undeniable. The SST Pro represents their ultimate expression of speed engineering. The verified top speed reaches 82 miles per hour through dual motors delivering an astonishing 30,000 watts of peak power. That's not a typo. 30,000 watts. This is the most powerful micromobility device commonly available outside of motorcycles. The battery is substantial. The system is 84 volts with massive capacity. Real-world range reaches 100 kilometers even with aggressive riding. The frame construction prioritizes structural rigidity. The suspension uses dual hydraulic systems, fully adjustable. The design emphasizes extreme performance with less concern for comfort or everyday practicality. The SST Pro is a pure speed machine. The steering incorporates geometry and damping specifically designed to handle the tremendous power and speed. The tires are specially designed for maximum grip while minimizing rolling resistance. At 82 miles per hour, tire technology becomes critical. Poor tires would cause instability and dangerous handling. These tires work seamlessly with the suspension and steering to create a manageable platform for extreme speed. The hydraulic braking system uses components engineered to dissipate tremendous heat. Stopping from 82 miles per hour repeatedly requires serious braking capability. The system handles this without fade or failure. Much of this weight goes to structural engineering and battery infrastructure, not wasted mass. Real riders describe the SST Pro as a genuine race machine, requiring serious skills and serious respect. This isn't a casual speed machine. This is a specialized tool for experienced riders in controlled environments. Price exceeds $10,000. The Weped SST Pro is designed exclusively for closed circuits and private property. Public operation is universally illegal. Number 1. Slack Core 920R, 91 miles per hour. And here we are, the fastest electric scooter ever built. The Slack Core 920R from South Korean manufacturer NUMO Global reaches a verified 91 miles per hour. That's motorcycle territory. That's highway speeds on what's technically a scooter. The engineering behind this machine is genuinely extraordinary. The frame, handlebars, and stem are constructed from titanium, the material used in aircraft and military applications. The weight remains under 107 pounds despite this incredible speed. The dual motors deliver power through dual controllers, each rated for 200 amps. Peak power output reaches 33,600 watts. That's tremendous power squeezed through sophisticated electronics managing flow flawlessly. The battery is 72 volts carrying 2,592 watt-hours. Range at moderate speeds reaches 70 kilometers. At extreme speeds, pushing the limits, range decreases obviously. The suspension features dual damping systems tuned specifically for stability at extreme speed. The steering incorporates geometry and damping engineered to eliminate wobble while maintaining controllability. The tires are 11-inch PMT slick tires. Slick means minimal tread but tremendous grip through mechanical adhesion. At 91 miles per hour, tire technology becomes absolutely critical. These tires work flawlessly even on track surfaces. The hydraulic braking system uses components engineered for professional racing. The rotors are oversized. The calipers use multiple pistons. Stopping from 91 miles per hour consistently and reliably happens without drama. Real riders report the stopping distance stays within reasonable limits given the speed. The acceleration is genuinely frightening. 0 to 100 miles per hour in 60 seconds. That's faster than most production cars accomplish. The throttle response is remarkably manageable despite the tremendous power.